Sorting is a key skill for problem solving, critical thinking, and pattern recognition. It helps kids make sense of the world around them. In math, sorting lays the groundwork for understanding categories, patterns, and even early algebra. You've probably seen sorting activities in kids' games before. Classic ones might ask kids to organize objects by color, shape, or size. But sorting can go beyond that. Some games use logic-based sorting, like deciding what belongs indoors or outdoors. In story-driven games, sorting can move the story forward, like packing a suitcase or tidying up a messy room. So, what makes sorting games great? First, a simple and intuitive design that lets kids jump right in. Next, clear visual and auditory cues that guide them on how to play. And finally, smart progression. So as kids get better, the game grows with them, adding more categories and complexity. Sorting games aren't just fun. They're teaching essential skills that help kids make connections and solve problems. So the next time your child plays a sorting game, remember, they're not just playing, they're learning.